These kind of bushy niches are very important because the small birds feel safe in this kind of place. It looks untidy, no doubt, and not neat. However, birds like this. If you want a lot of small birds and you want them to feel comfortable, you have to provide niches of this some bushy species. Here we have used that Premna ceratifolia, which not only attracts is a sheltering place for birds and all to rest in the hot sun, grooming and all such things. Also, they use it as a perch to look for prey. They hang out there, and if they see any little insect or butterfly or something, they can go and catch it. Then Premna species also has lot of flowers which are for some reason very attractive to moths and butterflies, some colorful butterflies and all, because it produces some kind of a some chemical substance that they find attractive. So Premna is an important herbal plant. Flowers, let me see if there are any flowers are visible. And it's a hardy plant also. So in parts of the garden you can provide this kind of niche from where birds can hang out and improve the comfort and quality of life of the birds that come to your garden. Premna flowers, unfortunately, are not visible right now. Oh yes, there is one here. So this is a typical Premna shape. Those little white flowers, they produce a nectar which contains some particular chemicals. So looking for it, you will get some of the very interesting wasps and all. So flowers are very small but attractive as far as the pollinators are concerned. So, and then it has long flowering season also. So this Premna can be used like a green border between sections of the garden. So here I planted a row of them like that. So it marks the boundary between two parts of the garden, of that biodiversity garden. In this half we got more shrubby things this side, and then this hedge is there, this Premna hedge, and then other side more softer and delicate plants are planted here in this part, and for both and each section has a green boundary. There I got that hibiscus as a border, and then this side border is a vasa that also has flowers around the year, white flowers. So on all four sides you can give this kind of green hedge, and the internal space will be cooler and more moist, so you can grow the more delicate plants over there. And in the border, having these hedges, they provide space for birds and butterflies and all. And continuously flowering plants like this vasa are best because they are hardy and something is there for the birds around the year. So that is a little bit about making your garden bird friendly.